Good morning, students. This is Rajkumar Yadav, and today we are going to start a new chapter from your class 11th, that is straight lines. Chapter number 10. We have done that up to chapter number 9. So we are going to study about straight lines. First of all, you should know it is the chapter 10, and that is the name of this chapter is straight line. First of all, before we are going to learn about the straight line, you should know in class 10th it is expected that you should know the distance formula. You already know that the distance between 2 points. It means Cartesian system, that is in 9th class you did, and then it means 4 quadrants, first, second, third, fourth, the points representation, etc. Now in class 10th you already learn about the distance formula, the section formula, and also the area of triangle by using formula for that. Now we are going to learn about the equation of a straight line. Different scenario we have been given different scenarios to find the straight line equations, right? So let's start this. First of all, if we have if we have 2 points, you know the distance formula, x1 y1, that is x2 y2. Already this distance is equals to, you know that x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Again, the distance formula, you know that. I am giving some brief knowledge about that because you already learned these things. Again, the section formula, you know that if there is a P, this is A and B, x1 y1 is the point and x2 y2 is the point, and we have to find out this point if it is k1 and k2. The ratio is given, then we can say that x is what, k1 multiplied by this x2 and k2 multiplied by this x1. So you know that always in 10th class everybody learn these formulas. K1 into y2 for y, this is, and k2 into y1 upon k1 plus k2 and k1 plus k2, right? Again, you know the midpoint formula. I think midpoint formula, this is midpoint formula. What is that? If we are given a 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, and this is A and B, this is P, and this is midpoint, you can say M. So 1:1 is the ratio. So if we put K1, K2, instead of that we have to put 1 and 1. We got x is equals to, what is that, x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2 for y. So this is the midpoint formula. Again, and these formula you know that. Here also you know that the triangle formula, half into something, you already studied that. I'm not going to that, but here the equation of a straight line, you should study about this. What is this equation of a straight line? First of all, we have to take a simple case, that is if we have been given a point that is going from this point 1 2 3, it is going from this point, that is called 3 0, you know that, and it is parallel to y-axis. Then what will be the equation? Here the question arises that what is the meaning of equation of a straight line? Means any equation which can represent throughout this equation, that is called straight line equation. Like that, if we see that there is 3 always, right? you can say that x is equals to 3 always, but not y. Y here is 0, but here there will be different values, here there will be different values of y. So y will change it, but not the x. X will remain constant, that is x is equals to 3. So this is called x equal to 3. Now the another scenario, if we have 1 2 like that, if we have this 0 2, and the point this from this point, this line is passing through this point, what will be the equation of that? So that can be represented as y is equals to 2, because we see that y is fixed here, y is fixed here 1 2, y is always 2 there, always these distances will be 2, so we can say that y is always 2, but not the x is not fixed. So we can say that this line is y is equals to 2. Means the general perceptions is, if there is any line which is parallel to y, we can say that it is x is equals to something. If it is in the left side of the y-axis, it will be x equal to minus that number. Let's say the 3, so x equal to minus 3 and x equal to plus 3. And any number it can be. Here y is equals to 2, which line is parallel to x-axis? It is x-axis, it is y-axis. So if a line parallel to x-axis, this is always represented as y is equals to 1 to any number which is given. So this is the parallel equation. In this situation, you can also see that what will be the equation of this x-axis? There is always y 0. So we can say that y is 0 here. And also at this x is equal to 0. So we always horizontal axis named as x-axis, that is also can be in 11th class we can say that this is y is equal to 0, and this can be x is equal to 0 because always x is 0. So if anybody asks you what is the equation of x-axis, that is y is equal to 0, and what is the equation of y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. So it is a small introduction to you. And now we will start the different scenario for a straight line to find the equation of a straight line and slope, etc. So for in next video we will do that. Some formulas will be there and you have to remember that. So all the best for today. Thank you.